Hello and welcome to PMC Lounge on social media. Think of this video as a quick introduction to what we are all about. First of all, PMC in PMC Lounge stands for Project Management Certifications. We added Lounge because we wanted to keep things relaxed and stress free. No stiff classrooms or boring training sessions here, please. We are here to shake things up and bring a breath of fresh air to the world of project management. But wait, there's more than just certification prep material here. We understand that project management is not just about certifications. You don't want to hop on from certifications to certifications because project management is about staying ahead of the curve and mastering the latest industry trends. Being in the loop of the advancements in this field and knowing the direction that this whole project management domain is headed towards. And certifications might not always be the answer to it. Whether you're a seasoned project manager, already PMP certified, or just starting out on your project management journey, we have got you covered. So, what sets PMC Lounge apart? Well, we understand the frustration of navigating through mediocre PMP resources. Trust me, I've been there too. Learning from gurus advising you to skip pivotal textbooks like PMBOK to authors without genuine real world project management experience posing as PMP trainers to these so called mentors trying to upsell their additional certification programs to you. I know it is exhausting to feel like just another sales statistic. But here's where PMC Lounge stands out. Our resources have not only aided thousands of PMP and other certification aspirants in passing their exams, but these professionals still hang around because we offer something far more profound. While our materials are invaluable for certification preparation, it's our holistic approach to project management content that truly sets us apart. So, whether you're aiming solely for certifications or seeking to transform into a top tier project manager, PMC Lounge has your back. And let me dive into the content we offer to give you a taste of what's in store over at our website pmclounge.com and our YouTube channel youtube.com/pmclounge. So first of all, you can explore project management concepts explained like never before through our articles, videos, playlists, everything is available. Secondly, you can get clear, concise answers to your burning questions while you're preparing for PMP or thinking about PMP and other certifications. You can even talk to me using our Lounge Access program. Thirdly, you can stay in the loop with expert insights on project management because we bring in renowned project management thought leaders on our PMC podcast. Definitely check that. Fourthly, you can keep up with global project management trends as we cover several industry reports. In fact, you can join our YouTube live stream every week for more industry insights. And finally, the most obvious, you can master PMP with our step-by-step training materials that guide you to success. Use our playlists and courses. You can start with our free 50-day PMP study plan at pmclounge.com/PMP study plan. I would also like to take this opportunity to remind you about our online presence. Our website pmclounge.com is always there for exclusive project management concept related articles, videos neatly arranged for PMP preparation and preparation for other certifications as well. You can also check out our comprehensive courses at pmclounge.com/courses, and we are also present on Udemy and Skillshare. On YouTube, you will find our channel youtube.com/pmclounge, and this is one of the largest and fastest growing project management related YouTube channel out there. So definitely subscribe. You can also use the join option on our channel for exclusive perks. You can connect with us on Telegram at t.me/PMC zone to always stay up to date on the content that we put out. And you can also connect with us on other social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. And you can be a part of our growing community of project management enthusiasts. So, are you ready to take your project management journey to the next level? Look no further than PMC Lounge, your number one destination for all things PMP and project management. I hope to see you around, and before you go, here's what people are saying about PMC Lounge.